Okay. Nice.
Tao na yan, tao na yan.
Nice.
Tama ka nga pre.
Ha?
Malakas.
Malakas no?
Oo. Malakas ang vermilion.
Malakas yan. Kaya kunti lang. Sipulan natin. Kasi medyo manipis yung linya eh.
Wala na. Basta huwag mo lang din wala nang dapat may extension.
Vermilion? I think vermilion.
Oo.
What's vermilion? The original name? Binjalo.
Ha?
Binjalo.
Binjalo.
Binjalo sniper.
Ah, Binjalo sniper ah. Layo pa. Sige lang. Tandaan. Kaya mo na. Until when this red snapper pa? August? Until when? July only?
June, July, August. The best, July and August.
The best? July, August? No. Maybe July. August. But last time I saw there's a lot of two guys, lots of red, lots of vermilion. And I think last time you were with the Russian guy because I saw their chats. My friend Russian he sent me the video. He tried. He's saying it's very hard to pull this vermilion. Only one fish and then he said, I got enough. I'm enough.
Now we still have, but now it's first season, and then sometime coming more
same. At first it's a lot, and then shwe-shwe, and then after July, August, then
Sino sumabit sa akin? Sumabit sa akin. Legit yan, legit.
yes.
Oh, camera.
Yeah. 2 minutes. May uli ka din? Yun!
Meron no?
Meron din, gumagalaw oh. Mabigat? Yan, sige. Para kami hulog na. Para lapis?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko ramdam eh. Magaan lang eh. Parang doon pa sa kabila, doon sumabit. Parang hindi napapagod yung isang to.
Ha? Hindi, pabigat kasi.
Oo. Talagang
Pero lalaban pa yan pag medyo mataas na.
pag nakita ng
I
tao
think
yan.
maybe same fish, maybe.
Oh.
Because this line going this side.
Ah, yun.
Wait. Open bill.
Open bell ka daw. Open bell, pre.
Go. Let's go. Open bill.
Baka natamaan yung linya mo dito. Wala kang huli. Yun. Tumamangaling yung linya mo.
No, inside. Down.
Thank you Lord. First time.
Oh, too much line.
Too much line ka oh.
Vermilion. Linya ko na dahil.
Baka linya mo rin. Ay po, tragis.
First time makahuli ng vermilion.
Ha?
Tama nga pre, malaki na yung sunod.
Ha?
Si Alfie, sabi ni Alfie. Malaki na susunod niyan.
Oo,
Ayos. Oo, ano.
Kala ko.
Ayos.
Galing na.
Gusto nga sa'yo wala.